Hey guys, back at it again with another video. My name is Betty Carnoir. Today, I found a fellow Hamilton lover. Are they here? Are they here? I mean, well, I'm on Animal Jam again. Don't judge me. Gotta find the right one. Trying to get them over here. Why not? Boom. Sweet. Good pal. Let's see if they're actually in their house. This is their house. They're a member. I'm not. I'm never gonna be able to be a member. I didn't look at the. I didn't. Okay. Let me do a right one. Hey guys, back at it again with another video. My name is Betty Carnoir. There. Now I'm satisfied. They have. What is this? The claw? Yes. I'm scared. Is it one type of animal? Ah, my luck. Are they here? They're not here because you can see them on like this. Like the screen of. Okay. Did she? No. Okay, I don't know if it's a she or he. Okay, there's eyelashes. I'm guessing this animal is a she. Don't know who they really are. Not gonna ever find out. Meet me. Actually, where do you go? Where are you? Okay. This is where I was last time whenever I saw her. There. I don't want to buy anything. Can you stop? Okay, her eyes are terrifying. Yes. Okay? Thank you. Wait, let me move. No. So how's your guys' day today? I'm so stupid. Wait a minute. Turn that down. I'm gonna get copyright if you don't turn that down. Guys, please turn it down. Thank you. Okay. How? She's glued to that spot. Well, they're glued to that spot. No. How? I'm not talking to you. That was kind of rude. I'm sorry. Go away. Go away. Oh. I'm gonna wait for them to notice. What are they painting? I want to know. Because there are some really cool paintings. Squeeze! Why? Why? Why is she gonna be their friend? That was mean, but I'm still gonna be their friend. Oh no, it's okay. I want to show you this place that shows all the paintings, and a lot of paintings are beautiful. See, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, like, this is digital art, I believe. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. How old are these kids? Oh, then again, I'm a teenager and I'm playing this. That's kind of sad for me. Oh well. Actually, I think I'm gonna touch up my. I almost called it base. My den. How do I, okay. Been forever since I've done this. Don't judge me. Okay. I'm gonna put a lemonade stand. Where'd you go? Oh, here. Okay. Right here. Can you go away? Okay. Up. Up. No, I don't. Oh, 50 gem. 150 gem. I have a lot of gems. Wait. Can you? I want to stop it. You just like. No, I'm just gonna move around. Let them pile up. Okay. That's all I have. That's kind of sad. Actually, okay, I have that. Okay, all of that's gone. Where did I get this? Stop it. Stop it. I don't like how it's. You gotta be kidding me. I don't. This is gonna really stress me out. There we go. And I have. I'm so weird. I'm sorry. Stop it. As you can see, there's this thing on this side. Like it's on the side of this. Whatever. And it is really annoying. Okay. Let me introduce you to my friends. Okay, this one's name is Musical Wings. If any of you figure out what I am not referencing, what I'm basing these colors off of, I don't know. I'm not that famous yet to where I can give like $1,000,000,000 like Mr. Beast or I don't know. Bubble Lady. I got lazy. Purple book on I got lazy on this one. Ghost Whistle. I want to change the name. I don't know how. Favorite toy hamster roll. Favorite food dried toast. Personality relaxed. Okay. Oh, whoops. I want to keep mine the same. Look at what you can do with these. They're eating little mouse foods. Hamster foods. Nom 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 nom. Oh, eat it. Sorry, I'm really weird. Where is she? Or they? Where are they? Room is full. Okay, it's not full anymore. That's kind of weird. I mean, this happens all the time. I can't do a. Just look up the first thing I said. What? Throws lava on their face. Why? Why? Apocalypse. Please stop. Chaos. Please stop. Seriously, please stop. No. Cautiously painting with toothpicks for easier control. I wanted